MILF porn वाली category, it doesn't die down. It's one of the most popular porn
हाँ।
categories in the world. कोई preference होता that some porn stars prefer to shoot with say MILFs or mature porn stars versus shooting with more younger women? कोई ऐसा preference होता है? Is it like, do you get paid more? Is the sex different? Because I haven't been with too many older women. I've been with a few, but not too many, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah, so I have friends who are in their early 30s and they like to have sex with older women, like 50 plus.
Hmm.
And he's a big
Porn
porn
star
star in
friends,
Europe.
regular दोस्त.
Porn star friend
हाँ.
की बात कर रहा हूँ. He's a big porn star in Europe. So, but I only know him like who has a desire of older women more than younger women.
Hmm.
और इनफैक्ट उसने शादी भी की है. ही इज 32 33. उसने शादी 45 की औरत के साथ की है. तो ही जस्ट इज मेड फॉर इट, बट ही ऑल्सो हैज सेक्स इक्वली. लाइक उसका पॉर्न में सेक्स देख के आपको कहीं नहीं पता चलेगा कि ही इज लेस इंटरेस्टेड, बट इन रियलिटी ही इज लेस इंटरेस्टेड इन यंगर वुमेन.
If you can't watch a full podcast, watch a clip instead. You'll be as entertained and as informed. That's my guarantee. That's why you got to subscribe to those cast clips.
The other porn star friends that I have, like some boys who are very young, 21, 25 age group ke, they are more or less, they just don't care. They just want pussy. And the women should be hot, so they don't care. 21, 25 के जो बंदे हैं, they don't care. अगर young woman है 22 ईयर की तो भी hot होगी तो बढ़िया है. 42 ईयर की MILF भी है, 35 ईयर की MILF भी है, तो hot होनी चाहिए, and that's what they like. And then there are people like me who are more into younger women. So वो है. तो and nobody gets paid more. Nobody gets paid more. Whether you're having sex with a older woman or you're having sex with a younger woman, the guys get the same amount. But the good thing is, if you can have sex with older women, you'll get more work. Because like you said, वो genre इतना strong है कि खूब सारा काम मिलेगा. खूब सारी, अगर if you are good at having sex with older women, तो काम बहुत मिलेगा तुम्हें.
ये स्किल बन
Because
जाती
there are
है
a
क्या?
lot of
ये प्रेफरेंस की बात
dedicated
है.
websites. ये स्किल बन जाती है because not every guy can perform with older women. 45, 50, 55
वो तो
मेरे बस
that's
की तो नहीं
granny
है.
category. I was talking
ठीक
about
है.
the sweet like 40 to 50 वाला range.
Even that also, like now I have lost, more or less I have lost until someone is super. जब मैं शुरू किया था तो I was also very horny and hungry all the time. तो मैं कर लेता था. I did work with some beautiful 35, 40, 41 year olds. But now I have kind of lost that desire. मेरा libido नहीं आता है if somebody is in that MILF category. So if it's happened to me, it must have happened to every other guy who has been in the industry and who doesn't have a fetish for older women. तो डेफिनेटली इफ समबडी कैन हैव सेक्स विद ओल्डर वुमेन, उसको काम ज्यादा मिलेगा फ्रॉम दोज डेडिकेटेड वेबसाइट्स. कुछ डेडिकेटेड वेबसाइट्स ही वो सिर्फ ओल्डर वुमेन मींस बोथ कैटेगरीज, मिल्फ एंड ग्रैनी, विद यंगर बॉयज. तो दबा के काम मिलेगा इफ यू कैन डू इट.
एक बंदा है पॉर्न स्टार ना, उसका बहुत छोटा जवान सा ही लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि साला ये लीगल भी है नहीं. आई सी हिम बैंगिंग ऑल द मिल्फ्स. आई डोंट नो उसका नाम क्या है,
यस.
क्योंकि मेल पॉर्न स्टार्स
यस.
के अक्सर नाम बुला दिए जाते हैं और सिर्फ औजार याद रखे
हाँ.
जाते
नो,
हैं.